In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table in Lucidchart. Whether you're new to the platform or just looking to polish your diagramming skills, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in and explore the process, ensuring you have a seamless experience. First things first, you'll want to head over to Lucidchart's website. Grab your browser and type in lucidchart.com to get started. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see the option to log in. Click on that, and if you haven't logged in already, enter your credentials to get into your account. If it's your first time here, you might need to create an account, but don't worry, it's a straightforward process. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to the Documents page. You'll find this option in the menu. Going to your documents is essential because this is where all your past and present projects are housed, and where we'll be adding our new table today. Once you're in the Documents section, look for the New button. Clicking on this allows you to start a fresh project. You'll be greeted with options to select your work type. Take a moment to choose the template that best suits your needs or your project's requirements. Alternatively, if you've got an ongoing document that you wish to edit, you can opt to click on Open a Document instead. For those of you who are eager to get started on designing your diagram, you'll need to locate the toolbar that contains More Shape options. You can do this by clicking on More Shapes. This is where you'll find additional tools that can aid in building comprehensive diagrams. If you find the search bar more convenient, you can access it just beside the Shapes option. It's a handy feature for quickly finding elements needed for your project. Use the search bar to type in table, press enter, and you should see the table options appear in the results. Simply click on the table icon and bring it into your workspace by dragging and dropping it onto your canvas. Alternatively, you can click once on the table and it will automatically be added to your document. And there you have it, your table is now ready for you to fill with data, adjust, and customize as needed. This simple yet powerful feature in Lucidchart allows you to better organize information within your diagrams and enhance the visual clarity of your projects. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with how your table can be styled and utilized. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on maximizing your productivity with Lucidchart. Happy diagramming!